found it. This is a 2003 Falcon B series. Just a standard BA. Sorry if it's a bit windy for me, but yeah. Today we're gonna be taking out the quarter window for my Gold Falcon. But love and light fun out. Have a good day. Safety fun out. First step you're gonna need is to take out the quarter window right here. There's a drill. It's about a 8mm bloody drill piece. Because there's a bit of a rivet over here fun out. Come with me and I'll show you. Here it is right here. It's just underneath here fun out. Peel back this. It's right there. I've already started drilling it, but that's how you get out the quarter window on the Ford Falcon B series. So fun, live and light. So fun, just a bit of an update. I ended up drilling out that rivet. But if you know anybody that wants to buy some blue interior, hit me up on Facebook. Yeah, because this is going to be a two-seater at the end of the day. It's going to be my son's kid car. She's already popped heaps of tyres there, but if I know him, yep. Yeah, look at that tyres. Welcome back to Plus T. Fuck, I forgot the keys yesterday, eh? Sorry about that, funny, but we're back again. We're gonna take it off today. Finally, I just wound down the window so I can move the card along. Give you a look, funny. Just gotta undo this 10mm right here, and this channel right here will move over. I gotta take out the window first. Drop it down, then I can move this channel over to get the whole quarter window out. But yeah, have a night fine out. Illegal. Just like that, fine out. Take off this seal first. There's an inside one. There's one inside the window itself. You just do that, then you carefully maneuver the window out, fine out, like this. So one piece is the slider. 11 light front it. It's fit to go for my Gold Falcon. Can I get a split back between your hands that word is very warm, just how long I hate that. Kick back, hit the drink, sit back. Don't smell it and vomit, I'm a Louis Vuitton wallet. Yes, back there, I'm rolling on a budget and you falling for it like I'm Warren Buffett. So front it. It's taking the rims off this blue one. One of my blue Falcons here for Goldie. So I'm going to a family reunion in the weekend. So I'm going to be taking off the lowering springs tomorrow as well. So if you like and follow and subscribe, and then you'll be able to see all the progress and everything that I do tomorrow. Around the way, girl, the rest of the scene in the crowd, her booty to a sound somehow. She got me breaking all the rules, got me pulling out all the stops to get close to you. She beats the race, she beat the best. Ain't no contest from a booty to a chest. So if you don't mind tonight, we'll just ride tonight. She says fine, it just sounds. I like get up, you said the same good, she get down. I was trying to be a man, but she know when I'm around here, cause I'm in need of a soldier girl. So won't you, girl? You know what I'm on the girl. So just move when you're feeling what you see. Soon as I step to the scene, looking so fresh, so clean. Baby, don't mind me, and Mr. J, you waiting to the Z, cause you're more than just a woman to me. If you would like someone to treat you right, just invite me, darling. Cause I don't mind if it's only for one night. You excited, it's right there. If you would like someone to treat you right. You found it? Back at it, like got the window in there. I'm just gonna chuck it in now. Just took off the gold card. got bolt over it, the 10mm in it. Okay, finally, gonna do the same what I done to the blue one. Drill out that little rivet on top of the door. Okay, finally, I already pulled out all the glass in it. This made it doesn't work, so I had to bolt all of it. It's all 10mm. Okay, you see first finally. Gonna do that and then chuck the new window in. Legal.
You don't need a bag or blow your own horn. Let the others do it. You know, put it in my arms strong. This is scared to let the girls loose. Sweet coconut perfume with a smile that consumes a room infectious. How to develop an interest in whatever your interests are. Refreshing to find such a down to earth star. Knows where she's from and yet where we are.
So finally I'm back. Just putting everything back together now. It will fit in perfectly. You can see. Hey, finally legal. You're welcome to watch. Just gonna leave it there running in. And I put all the trim and everything back together. 65 it. Funny. A bit of a V. Recent the window. In now. I usually go for the door handle first, find it. Easiest spot. Hold everything centery. Break it. Find it. Legal. This is my car, Goldie. 2003 Ford Falcon. Same as the other Falcon. From the Prelude. Percy's there. You find it. Legal. Open light.
To be the best, ain't no contest. From a bully to a chest. So if you don't mind tonight, we'll just ride tonight. She says fine, it just sounds. I like it if you said the same when she get down. I was trying to be your man, but she know when I'm around, yeah. Cause I'm in need of a soldier girl. So won't you girl? You don't wanna know the girl. So just move when you're feeling what you see. Soon as I step to the scene, looking so fresh, so clean. Baby, don't mind me. Cause Mr. J, you wait to the Z. Cause you know they're just a woman.
Find out. Well, that's enough for Goldilocks today. Done the window. Gonna be changing the springs probably within the next few days. As I say, going to the final reunion. Love and life, find it. Subscribe, like and follow. You know what it is, find it. Illegal.